Hello and welcome back. Today, I'll be introducing the foundational concepts essential for learning English pronunciation. Pronunciation may appear simple at first glance, yet achieving mastery can be perplexing without understanding the fundamental concepts. It is the first video in this series on English pronunciation. I'll continue creating videos focusing on essential pronunciation concepts. Don't forget to subscribe. Your support motivates us to develop more. Feel free to leave a comment below. Happy learning! Who might benefit from this video? If you're new to learning American English pronunciation, need a refresher, or struggling to pronounce difficult words, this video is for you. While it may seem obvious, there are words that pose challenges in pronunciation. Here's an example. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Not all words are equally challenging like this, but having a solid grasp of basic concepts is essential for tackling difficult ones. Let's now come to the main topic. In English, the alphabet comprises 26 letters, each associated with two types of sounds, alphabet sound and phonic sound. Number 1. Alphabet sound. This refers to the sound linked with each letter of the alphabet. You typically utilize these sounds when reciting the English alphabet. This is how it sounds.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Number 2. Pronunciation sound refers to the actual sound produced when a word or letter is spoken. Here is how it sounds.
A says ah, as in apple. B says b, as in ball. C says k, as in cat. D says d, as in dog. E says as in egg. F says f, as in fan. G says g, as in gun. H says h, as in hen. I says I, as in ink. J says j, as in jug. K says k, as in king. L says l, as in lion. M says m, as in mug. N says n, as in nose. O says ah, as in ox. P says p, as in pen. Q says qu, as in queen. R says as in run. S says s, as in sun. T says t, as in 10. U says as in umbrella. V says v, as in van. W says w, as in wall. X says x, as in box. Y says y, as in yellow. And finally, the Z says Z, as in zebra.
Now you're ready to practice. Since you're dedicated to mastering pronunciation, I'm confident you'll follow the usual language learning process: speaking, observing, listening, and writing. I suggest jotting down the table in your neatly noted notebook for quick reference. Thanks again for watching.